Okay, half an hour down. Potatoes are looking good. Just going to turn them. Flip them over. See the bottom end, nice and golden. Okay, I've just crushed a bit of garlic. Don't peel it, just crush it. Just throw it in. Don't have to worry about peeling it. And then with the rosemary, just peel them off, chuck them all over. Just coat them. This will give it a really, really nice taste to it. Four or five sprigs, all good. Again, a little bit more salt and pepper. And a little cheeky trick is just press them gently. Just flatten them out. There. Put them back in, half an hour. Knob on the hot potatoes.